Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see what is prompt and what is prompt template. So, in short, a prompt means a set of instructions that we give to our AI model, like what it should perform and how it should respond, and what are the rules we or constraints it should follow. So, all this is considered as a prompt. For example, if I'm asking a chat GPT, like, tell me about the education system in India. Okay, so what it will do, it will give me some brief information, maybe in like four paragraphs or five paragraphs and so. But this is what I have asked. So that is what the task to perform. Now, I want to make sure, like, I want to change the tone of the response, and I want to add some constraints and rules, like make this response to be in like 100 words, and I want this in a formal tone, or else it should be like a narrative space. So I'm defining the task about the task. So that is called as prompt. Then what is prompt template means? So we use these prompts in the prompt template. So these prompt templates will have the placeholders for using the dynamic data. For example, I have a prompt for saying, tell me about the uh, chapter one and uh, and the chapter name from this textbook. Okay, this is what I wanted. That's the prompt. Now I want to replace it with the so again different chapter and different textbook. So I cannot really go and write every time, summarize chapter one from textbook one, or summarize chapter 10 from textbook 8. So I cannot manually write the whole prompt again and again. So what I can do is I can just add a placeholders, like summarize some field. I'll store these fields, these chapter values and textbook values in some fields. And based on the information I need, I'll go to that record and I'll use the prompt. Okay, summarize this current chapter with the current textbook. So I can reuse the template, right? So it's like I'm adding the placeholders. Even if you remember in our presentation, so we have something called placeholders. Like I explained in the Einstein trust layer videos. You can go back and check even if you want to. So that is what the prompt template means. We can reuse the prompt templates. Okay. Now, this is prompt template type. So we have sales email, field generation, record summary, and flex prompt templates in the Salesforce. We will also see the implementation of these prompt template types in coming videos. Okay. Now, what is this sales email prompt template? Means this template will be used to draft emails to our leads using the sales email. So instead of the sales representatives going to each lead record, typing the whole email again, and then instead of doing that, with the sales email prompt template, we can just generate it within a seconds, and the whole email will be drafted, and they can edit the sentences or the information, whatever they want to later. So that is what sales email. And the field generation means, for example, if we want to populate some field value based on something else, which we cannot really use, like maybe it should be like a summarization, or it can be something else. So when we want to put some value into the field, but we don't want to waste our time in typing the whole thing, so then we can use a field generation. And whereas record summary prompt template is like it's a rich text summary field, it will summarize the whole record, whatever we have it in the Salesforce. And flex prompt template is whenever these three prompt templates doesn't meet our needs or the requirements, then we go for this flex prompt templates. So we can use the flows output here, or the Apex output in here, or we can call or use the data from something else. We can refer the external data resources from this using this flex prompt template. So it's like for every other use cases other than these three. So in next video, we will see how to implement these prompt template types in the Salesforce. I'll also explain you how to turn on the Einstein Agent Force, and then what other options we need to turn on. Uh, to make sure that we see all these and how to navigate to the prompt builder, everything. Thank you.